You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -45. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 3 minus x. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Multiply the fractions. Break up the fraction. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 1/4x to both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 21/8 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 24/1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -45.